you really have to have curly hair to understand curly hair. When you do, you realize that not one product is ever going to work, that you always need to layer a number of products on. So therefore, that's why we've gone through and created a 3-step process. So Summer has more of a coily hair type, and we're going to go in with the curl cream. It's almost like your primer, like your base. It's going to infuse Summer's hair with moisture, help to start that separation process in the hair, which is the most important process when we're styling curly hair, and stop the frizz. So we're going to do this section by section, going through, not really raking the hair through, we're just going to kind of push the product in and allow that curl to start to separate itself. Like when you first, like your ends might be a little bit raspy and dry, and then once you apply this, it sort of just, it helps remove that and just seal those ends down a bit. So essentially kind of like a leave-in conditioner, but with a little bit more hold and way more moisture. If we don't use the word separation, we'd use the word definition, right? So that it defines the curl really nicely and starts to create that beautiful, defined, sort of nice, chunky curl. So feel that section now. See how it's a little bit dry, right? But then once you apply this through and you just give it like a little comb through, and then you feel the same section, feel that now. Yeah, see how it just like seals everything down? Yeah. If your client was to use this at home, they wouldn't need to like obviously separate it as much. They could just literally apply 3 or 4 pumps, depending on thickness as well. So like, you know, the good thing about the range was that it was developed so that it could go across 3 hair types. So today we're doing curly, coily, and wavy. So it's great that the products are so intermixable and you can work it across all 3 hair types. Sometimes curl ranges can be sort of designed around one curl type, and then it's really limiting. So we're going in with the Curl Curl gel. This is probably one of my favorite products in the range. Reason, the separation definition is like just unbelievable. Secondly, most curl gels, they're too sticky and they dry too crunchy, but this formulation gives us the separation and hold without the crunch. I don't know how they did that, but it works, which I love. So I'm going to finish off with this gel. I'm going to just pump about 4 pumps into my hand. Summer has really thick hair. So for thick hair, I feel that the base, when you first prep, you might need to use a bit more product than usual, but then once you do, that takes you through 3, 4, and 5 days without having to build it up again, and maybe just refresh spray every day very lightly.